Welcome back, English learners.
Picture a beautiful garden, soft music, and two people about to say, I do.
Today, two friends attend a wedding together and share every magical moment.
You'll learn lovely phrases for ceremonies, receptions, and heartfelt conversations.
Let's celebrate love and learn English together.
Oh, wow! This place looks beautiful.
Yeah, they picked a great venue.
I love all the flowers everywhere.
Same. It feels like a garden.
Have you been to a wedding recently?
Not really. Maybe 2 years ago.
Oh, really? Whose wedding was it?
My cousin's. It was outdoor.
That sounds so nice. I love outdoor weddings.
Yeah, but it was really hot that day.
Oh no, that must have been tough.
It was, but today is perfect weather.
I know, right? We're so lucky.
Should we find our seats first?
Good idea. Do you have the invitation?
Yeah, it says table 7.
Oh, that's near the front.
Nice. We'll have a good view.
I'm so excited for the ceremony.
Me too. Do you know the bride well?
Yes, she's my college friend.
Oh, that's cool. How long have you known her?
About 8 years now.
Wow, that's a long time.
I know. Time flies.
So how did she meet the groom?
They met through a friend, I think.
Nice. That's a sweet story.
They've been together for 3 years.
That's a good amount of time.
Definitely. Oh, look at the decorations.
Whoa, those lights are amazing.
Right? It's so romantic.
Yeah, they really put effort into this.
I helped a little with the planning.
Oh, really? What did you do?
I helped choose the flowers and the cake.
That's awesome. The flowers look great.
Oh, thanks. She wanted white roses.
Good choice. They're elegant.
Oh, I think it's starting soon.
Yeah, everyone is sitting down.
I'm already getting emotional.
Ha, don't cry yet. It hasn't started.
I can't help it. Weddings make me cry.
Here, take some tissues just in case.
Thanks. You're so prepared.
I always carry tissues to weddings.
Smart move. Oh, the music is starting.
Wow, she looks absolutely stunning.
Oh my gosh, her dress is gorgeous.
The groom looks so happy too.
Oh, look at his smile.
He's been waiting for this day.
I know. She told me he was so nervous.
Ha, he doesn't look nervous now.
Right? He looks so proud.
This is a really touching moment.
Oh no, I'm already tearing up.
Haha, I told you. Use the tissues.
The vows are so beautiful.
Yeah, they wrote their own vows.
That makes it even more special.
Definitely. It feels more personal.
Oh, they're exchanging rings now.
Nice. The rings look really pretty.
She showed me before. They're custom made.
Oh, that's really cool.
I know. Okay, they just kissed.
Everyone's cheering. This is great.
That was the best ceremony ever.
Agreed. Now let's head to the reception.
Yes, I'm starving, honestly.
Same. I skipped lunch for this.
Oh no, you should have eaten something.
I'll be fine. The food looks amazing.
Wow, look at this buffet.
Whoa, there's so much to choose from.
I'm going for the steak first.
Good call. I'll try the pasta.
Oh, this steak is incredible.
The pasta is really good too.
We should try the dessert later.
For sure. I saw a chocolate fountain.
No way! A chocolate fountain?
Yeah, with strawberries and marshmallows.
That's so cool. I love that.
Oh, looks like the first dance is starting.
Aw, they chose such a sweet song.
What song is it? It sounds familiar.
It's Perfect by Ed Sheeran.
Oh, nice. Classic wedding song.
They dance so well together.
Yeah, they must have practiced.
She told me they took dance lessons.
That makes sense. They look like pros.
Oh, now everyone's dancing.
Should we join in?
Yes, let's go.
I'm not a great dancer, honestly.
Don't worry, nobody's watching.
Huh, okay, that's a good point.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, I haven't danced that much in ages.
Same here. My feet hurt though.
Ha, mine too. Those shoes don't help.
Today was such a beautiful day.
It really was. I'm glad we came.
Me too. She looked so happy.
They both did. It was a great wedding.
I hope they have a wonderful life together.
I'm sure they will. They're perfect together.
Aw, that's sweet. Let's head home?
Yeah, let's go. What a great night.
Hello, English learners. Great to see you again. Have you ever watched a sports game with someone and screamed at the TV together? In today's lesson, two friends watch an exciting match full of ups and downs. You'll pick up tons of natural expressions for cheering, reacting, and sharing excitement. Ready? Let's get started.
The game starts in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I know. I'm so ready.
I'm so excited right now.
Same here. This is gonna be good.
Did you bring the snacks?
Of course. Chips and soda.
That's perfect. Oh, look.
They're showing the starting lineup.
Oh my, our best player is starting.
Nice. That's a good sign.
I really hope we win today.
We will. I can feel it.
Oh, it's starting now.
Here we go.
They're already playing so well.
Yeah, the passing looks sharp today.
Oh no, that was so close.
Whoa, it almost went in.
My heart is racing already.
Relax. It's only been 2 minutes.
I can't help it.
Fair enough. Oh, nice move.
Wow, did you see that pass?
Yeah, that was beautiful.
I think we can score first.
Definitely. We're pushing hard.
Oh, shoot. Shoot it.
Oh man, he missed it.
No way. That was so close.
He should have shot earlier.
So frustrating.
It's okay. We'll get another chance.
Oh, they have the ball now.
Their forward is really fast.
Oh no, they're attacking.
Our defense looks solid, though.
Phew, what a great block.
Nice. That was a close call.
This game is so intense already.
Seriously, I love games like this.
Oh, corner kick for us.
Come on, come on.
Goal. Oh my gosh.
Yes, let's go.
I can't believe it. We scored.
What a header! Amazing!
I'm literally shaking right now.
Haha, me too, honestly.
1-0. We're ahead.
Let's keep this energy going.
Oh, they're showing the replay.
Wow, look at that angle.
That timing was so perfect.
Yeah, he jumped really high.
I love this game so much.
Halftime is almost here, though.
Really, time flies.
When it's exciting, it always does.
I need more snacks for the second half.
Haha, good thinking. Pass me some chips.
Here you go.
Thanks. Oh, second half starting.
Let's go. Keep the energy.
Our team looks confident now.
I think they can score again.
That would be perfect.
Oh, another great pass.
Whoa, their teamwork is on fire today.
Oh no, the other team just scored.
Oh man, 1-1 now.
I can't believe it.
Stay calm. We still have time.
but it came out of nowhere.
Yeah, but we can still win this.
Oh, we got a free kick.
Great spot. Come on.
Please go in. Please go in.
Goal! Yes!
Oh my gosh, we did it.
Last-minute goal. Unbelievable.
I'm about to cry right now.
Haha, what an amazing finish.
We should watch together more often.
Definitely. Can't wait for the next one.